What?
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
That was the doorbell. Let's go see who's at the door.
Yeah. Someone made a package there.
Oh! It's another birthday surprise. It's a birthday surprise. It says happy birthday, Thor. Should we see what's in there?
Yeah.
Okay, open it up. Ooh, it's a present. Should we take it and see what it is?
Yeah, let's open it outside.
Let's go open it. Let's go
Get
open
on
it.
the couch.
Get those little hands into that.
I want the big one.
No, what are you doing there? What is that?
It's for MonSter truck.
What is it?
I kind of did a good one.
What is that? Oh.
Yeah, what is that?
Oh, that's a lot.
Oh my goodness.
That. Keep going, buddy. Keep going.
Oh my goodness.
What is it?
It's the MonSter truck.
Oh.
Look, it's a MonSter truck custom show.
It's a custom shop. So what you get to do is you get to paint them however you want. And then you can add cool stickers and stuff to them. And it's all in the box. Look at those cool MonSter
You want me to open
trucks.
it? I'll get the scissors.
Oh. Wow. Whoa. Oh, that's awesome. Those are some pretty cool MonSter trucks. Whoa. Hey, let's see what these trucks can do. Oh. Woo. Whoa. Whoa. That's awesome. Thor, can you do that with yours?
Yeah.
What truck do you want to paint? Look at all these cool trucks.
I'll do this one. I'll do this one.
You want to paint the blue one first?
Oh yeah, this goes with this one.
Oh yeah, they look the same, huh? Except for this one's pink and that one's blue, huh? Those are pretty cool.
This one first.
Okay, you paint that one first. All right,
I'm
let's
gonna do
orange first. Awesome. What are you gonna paint on your truck?
orange.
Just
up top.
orange on the top, or
Yeah.
you could paint dots, or you could do all sorts of fun things. Let's see. Go ahead, buddy. Yellow or blue?
Yes.
Or I can open some other ones. There's
This
green
one, this
and
one,
there's
this
purple
one.
and white. Blue? Okay, go for it. Ooh, you're painting the window, huh? Oh,
You
that's
can see.
You can't see. How is he gonna drive? He's gonna crash. Go ah! Ah! Yeah, that's okay.
Dip, 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 dip. That'd be cool.
Yeah, I like it.
A sweep with it, with paint on it.
Yeah, well, you have to let the paint dry first.
No, I can't sweep with it. So it's going to get all the paint on my bed.
Yeah, it would. But if it's dry, then you could.
I want paint on it.
Whoops. Wow, that's looking good, buddy.
And someone can't see me.
Yeah, they can't see inside the car. It's looking awesome. Oh, there you go. Ooh, that looks nice. You could even paint the door too.
Yes, I can.
Hey, that paint job is looking pretty sweet.
Yeah.
Nice job, Thor. Dude, I love your paint job. That's awesome. Can't wait to see what mine's gonna look like. Wow, that's so cool. I love it, dude. Give me 5.
I painted on the edges.
Yes, that where the engine is?
Yeah.
Under the hood,
Yeah.
right there. Is it my turn yet?
No.
Not yet? Okay. I'm just getting tired of waiting. I'm so excited. Woo! Psh, what about me? Woo!
Okay.
I'm super excited.
Okay. Now this one's done.
That one's all done?
Alright.
Look at me. Whoa, he's so stylish.
Okay, put him by the.
Okay, Rainbow, you have to dry. Let's back you up.
Back.
Beep, 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 beep.
Can you put?
Which one's next? Oh, the red guy. No? Green?
Yeah.
Yay!
Oh, it started.
Woohoo! Yeah, I'm so excited. It's my turn.
Yeah.
Can you maybe paint some polka dots on me?
Yeah.
I like to have lots of colorful polka dots. I think that'd be awesome. Oh wow, that looks cool. I like that color.
What one? What's the one?
Let's see. I want yellow. I like yellow.
Pick. Pick.
Wow, he looks pretty cool so
Say
far.
pick.
Oh.
Pick.
Let's see. How about purple? Let's do purple. Likes purple.
Okay. I'm the pet master. Not done.
Yeah, right back in there. That's a good color.
There, him's done.
He's all done? All right. Look at me. Whoosh. What do you name this one? How about like Gremlin or something? Because he's green.
Yeah,
Oh, cool.
his ground.
Yeah, that's
Your
awesome.
groundling.
Gremlin.
His groundling.
Let's back up. Beep, 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 beep. Let him dry. Let him dry. Oh wow, look at those stickers. Where are you gonna put it? Right there?
Yeah, I can see.
Awesome. What sticker is that one? Let's see. Oh, that's cool. Where are you gonna put that at? On the back?
Yeah.
Stick that on. Awesome. You can put it like it has a mouth on the top.
Yeah, it's a mouse. Look at this creepy
Is it creepy?
car. There's a monster!
I'm gonna eat you. I'm gonna eat you too.
I'm gonna eat you too.
Put across the top of that one. You want to put spider webs?
Yeah.
Where are you gonna put the spider web at?
Oh, spider webs go like here. Look at that.
Wow, look at those. So awesome, buddy. You did a good job. You did with the spider webs. I'm a monster truck.
Yeah.
Run.
Are you dry? Are you dry?
Not yet. Oh, whoa, so
Like-
cool.
Like this. Do 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 do.
Whoa.
Do that.
Stackable. Look
Stack
at it
them
go.
up. You can stack them up.
Oh.